Best way to take turmeric. Turmeric health benefits and side effects. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice widely used in cooking and traditional medicine due to its potential health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, it's essential to understand the best way to take turmeric and be aware of potential side effects. Here's some guidance. 1. Turmeric in cooking. One of the easiest ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet is by using it in cooking. You can add it to various dishes, such as curries, soups, stews, rice, and even smoothies. When turmeric is used in cooking, it is generally safe and well tolerated by most people. 2. Turmeric supplements. If you're looking to consume higher amounts of curcumin, you may consider turmeric supplements. These supplements often contain higher concentrations of curcumin than what you'd find in regular turmeric powder. However, it's crucial to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands to ensure purity and efficacy. 3. Golden milk, turmeric latte. Golden milk is a popular way to enjoy turmeric's health benefits. It's a mixture of turmeric, milk, or plant-based milk, and other spices like black pepper and cinnamon. The addition of black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin, making it more effective. 4. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is another way to consume this spice. You can prepare it by simmering grated or powdered turmeric in water and adding other spices or flavors as desired. 5. Turmeric capsules. For those who find the taste of turmeric too strong or who have difficulty incorporating it into their diet, turmeric capsules are a convenient option. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label or consult with a healthcare professional. Health benefits of turmeric. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can benefit conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. 2. Antioxidant activity. Turmeric's curcumin is known for its antioxidant properties, which can help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. 3. Digestive health. Turmeric may support digestion and relieve symptoms like bloating and gas. 4. Heart health. Some research suggests that curcumin may help promote heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Side effects and precautions. While turmeric is generally safe, some individuals may experience side effects, especially when consumed in large amounts or in specific circumstances. 1. Gastrointestinal distress. High doses of turmeric may cause stomach upset or gastrointestinal issues in some individuals. 2. Blood thinning effects. Turmeric may act as a mild blood thinner, so individuals taking blood thinning medications should use it cautiously and consult their healthcare provider. 3. Gallbladder issues. Turmeric may worsen gallbladder problems, so people with gallstones or gallbladder disease should avoid high doses. 4. Interaction with medications. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, antacids, and diabetes drugs. 4. Consult with a healthcare professional if you are on medications. As with any supplement or significant dietary change, it's wise to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric into your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions or concerns.